from this computer.
Headlines.
Yes,
Device.
correct. So I'll open up that editor once again. Okay. So we have written conio.h, console input output.h. If I am going to run it, let's see whether C is understanding. Okay, which means it is not inside this file. It is still not able to find, which meaning you have given a wrong file. Inside this file, I don't find this. So in this case, we have to give iostream. iostream.h. If I give control F9, it has found out. If I give alt F5, it is printing.
Yes, sir.
So now if you see your outputs, alt F5 when you go, you will see all the previous outputs also, correct?
Yes, sir. 0, 1.
Continuously, how much ever time you have run, all those output. Let's say I'm running 10 times. If I go to alt F5, continuously I will see the old output also. So to eliminate that, we have to go at the starting of the program. Main, after the main, CLR SCR, clear screen shortcut, okay?
Okay.
CLR SCR if you give and run, okay, error. Error means we have to import the necessary file. It's not able to find out.
Yes.
So when you get an error, don't panic. Just see what is the error. Sometimes it will be very, very simple thing to rectify. So here it is telling CLR SCR should have a prototype.
Right.
I'll try using Conio. Include Conio include conio.h, which is console input output.h. If I go to alt F5, see only the current output will be there. Everything will be clear.
Okay.
Can you try this?
Okay, sir. Sir, I have one.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we should put int main or simply main is enough, sir.
Simple main is enough. I'll come to what is int.
Okay.
Yeah, in all the programs, it should be int only. If you give int here, we have to give a return type as return 0. That's what everywhere it will be, return 0. But not an issue. Even without this also, the program will work.
Okay.
That is why if you run alt F9, you will see a warning. Function should return a value.
Yes, sir.
That is why we give here return keyword. Return. We don't know what to return, so we give return 0. And now if I run alt, there is no warning also. Everything is good. But this is not mandatory.
Okay.
Let me know after you try out this.
Okay.
I'll wait for some time.
Sir, first I should go with control F9 only, sir.
Control F9. You're right. Control F9 to compile and run the program. Alt F5 to view the output of the program.
Yes, sir. Only allow by default. Okay.
Yeah, working.
Yes, sir.
So CLR SCR is something to clear the screen when you run it. Okay, so that the previous outputs will not be there. Otherwise, it will be the screen will be junk, right? We'll be seeing all the outputs from the previous values.
Okay.
So that is what it is. Okay, now let's go into the programming and do something interesting. So, okay, we are now printing welcome to CPP programming. When I see the output, what it is just telling me welcome to CPP programming. Before this, let us get the input from the user. Like, hey, what's your name? When I give my name, then it should tell, hey, Rajesh, welcome to CPP programming. Okay. So for that, so when, let's say, if I am going to give you a, you're going to a shop, they give you something like apple. Let's say you go to a fruit shop and you buy an apple, they give you an apple. What will you do? You pay the money, then what will you do?
I will bring the apple.
You'll bring the apple, but will you keep it in hand always?
No, sir. Bag.
Yeah. So you'll place it in some temporary place before you bring it to home.
Yes,
The
sir.
same way, we whatever values we are going to get, it has to be placed in a temporary location. It's like a bag. Only then we can bring it, right? Only then we can use everything. Whatever you take, it will have a storage.
Yes, sir.
Books, it will be stored in a shelf. Your mobile phone in your pocket. Your pen either in your shirt or in your box. In school days, we used to keep it in box. In college days, just in the bag. And after that, we'll have it in our pocket, right? So anything will need a storage place to store. So now what we are going to collect, we are going to collect the user name. What is the username? Okay, this means this is a comment. The program cannot read this.
Okay.
If I don't give this way and I compile control F9, it will tell I don't know what is user and what is name. Okay, so if you want something to be commented where the program should not read it, you can give this. You can use this /.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to read the username. So we need to store the username. Read the username and store in a bag. That bag is called string here. Okay, we have a string. So the bag is string, and I'm going to store. Physically, you see a bag, right? Either it can be a polythene bag or a cloth bag. Physically, you see a bag with two what is it? Two handles. The color of the bag will be there. So you see a bag physically. The same way, let's create a bag now. Store my name. I can keep it anything. My name is the bag name. Okay. So I'm creating a bag. How do I tell it is a bag? The string keyword is a bag.
Okay.
This means it is a bag, and the bag will have a structure. Even just I tell like keep it in a bag, you cannot keep it. I should give you a bag. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I cannot tell you that you go to shop, you buy an apple and keep it in a bag and come. You will ask me where is the bag. So we have two concepts here. One is something we tell as bag. The other is the actual bag itself. So what we tell a bag is a string. This is called a data type. What is the type? What is the data type? What is the type of the data which you are going to store? It is a bag. Suppose you go to let's say you order Amazon. It comes in a box.
Yes, sir.
Correct? That's different data type. And let's say you go to a library. You see a shelf where many books are there. That's a different data type. So we just saw one data type. For now, whatever you are coming through, you just take it in your mind. As we progress, you will understand much better. So for now, we are having a string as a data type, and the actual physical bag which you see, that is the name. This is where that actual physical bag only you'll be storing the apple. The same way, the store my name is the actual bag where we will be storing the username once the user gives it. Now, let us ask the user to give the give his name, enter his name. So we'll tell out, please enter your name. Okay. Now this will not do anything. Okay, what's the error? Undefined symbol, undefined symbol string. Okay, 1 second. If something is there like string, string dot h, undefined symbol string. Okay, 1 second. I have a where unable to open. Let's go back to the folder. String dot header file. I have string. Dot h. 1 second. There's some issue in my system. It's not important. The string we'll see. I'll show tomorrow. For
Okay.
now, what we'll do is we'll ask the user to enter two numbers. The
Okay.
same way we need a bag. Now the bag is integer. So we'll give first number and I'll get the second number also integer. Second number. I'll get rid of these things for now. Okay. Now, is there any compilation error? No error so far. Now, please enter your name. Instead of that, please enter first number. First number. Then we have to read the first number and keep it in. We have to collect that number and place it inside the bag. For that, we use C in. C out is to output to the console. The black window, what you see, that is called console.
Okay.
So C in is what we collect it. It will be opposite direction. The angle bracket should be opposite direction. So in, you can remember like this, whatever is given in the input, the using the angle bracket, right? That's an arrow mark. We are passing it to a variable. What is the variable? First number. Now what will happen? Whatever I'm entering in will be passed into the first number. Now we'll ask again. After we get the first number, please enter the second number. Now same way, whatever he is passing, we have to push it into second number. Store it into the bag. Now, welcome to C programming. Instead of that, addition of number is, we'll give the, you can use this bracket again, and first number plus second number. Let's see if you have any error. Undefined inbuilt second number. SECOND.
So the capital S.
Yes. There is no error. I control F9. Function should return value, not an issue. Control F9. Enter the first number. 10. Enter the second number. 29. The output came and it went away. If you want to see the output, I have to go Alt F5. Okay. Can you try this?
Yes, I will try.
I'll keep it open for a reference. So just understand these words when you type in. This is the declaration. C out is for printing to the screen. C in for getting from the screen. Again, out is for printing and in for receiving. And here we are outing. In the out, we add and we display.
Okay. Sir, showing errors. Sir.
Yeah, please share your screen.
The host is disabled participant channel.
Okay, okay. I have to give yes. Try now.
Yes, sir. Full screen is
Okay, I
visible.
can see your screen.
Yes, it is visible, sir.
Statement missing semicolon. There should not be any space between first and number. Variable name is single.
Okay.
So you have to use mouse. You cannot use mouse.
Okay.
Yes. Try now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, enter. Let's see what error is. Statement missing semicolon. No, after. Can you give Alt F9?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, enter. There is a colon. Why after the number there is a colon? Can you please remove that
Yes.
after R? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Try now.
Warning.
Only warning only. There is no error.
Yes,
Warning is something we can skip and live with it. Okay.
Okay.
Now try running it. Control F9. Yeah. Go to Alt F5 and see the output. See the output
Yes,
is
sir.
there. Now,
Sir,
after
yes,
we
sir.
yes, please go ahead.
Sir, please enter the first number, sir. In first line.
Okay.
And there's a no gap between the number and the words.
Yeah, go. You can give a space before you end the double quotes. You give enter and go to the program. Before you end the double quotes, you give a space there. Not here. The first line
Oh,
and
okay.
the red color, right?
Yes, sir.
Enter your first number. Please enter first number.
Yes, sir.
There, give a space. You can give a colon also.
Sir, okay. It is working.
Yeah. It is whatever you type in between the quotes, it will come exactly as it is. So if you give a space will come there. Now try running it. Okay.
Okay.
Super. Now something very minute thing which I wanted to tell you. Once you run a program, it comes back
Okay.
to the program and again you have to give Alt F5 and go to see the output, correct?
Yes, sir.
So after you give 4, you are not able to see the 6. It comes to the program. You again give Alt F5 and you go and view it. To avoid that, we have a keyword, get ch. Go into the program
Yes, sir.
and last but one, before the brace,
Okay, sir.
type get ch. No, before the brace.
Okay.
Because with the brace, the program is over. Get ch and open close parenthesis. That's all. Give semicolon, enter. Move the brace to the next line just for formatting. Okay.
Okay.
Now try running the program.
Yes, sir.
See there? So two keywords which would help you in saving time are this get ch and clr-ser. Clr-ser will clear the outputs. Whatever was given previously will clear it. So get ch is something to immediately see the output. And yeah, can you go back to the program? So what we learned today, the imports, there are some statements as import, which is the include keyword. So include,
Right.
now you know where these
Student.
files are, right? In the hard disk,
Yes, sir.
you know where the conio.h
Right, sir.
is, where is IO stream. So in future, in any program, in any, net programs, if you see, immediately you will know that, okay, there is a file in the folder like this name, right?
Yes, sir.
If in the IO stream.h itself, it is throwing error, means what is the problem? That's the second line, right? IO
Right,
stream.
sir.
There it's an IO stream. Instead of that IO stream, give IO stream 1. IO stream 1. No, you cannot use the
Okay.
mouse. IO stream, yeah, 1. Now try running the program. You know that there is no file like this.
Yes.
No, no, compile. This is running from previous.
Oh,
Just give enter and close the program. Oh, you have to give a number. Okay. Just give some dummy number. 1, 1. Okay. Okay. Alt F9. Warning. Okay. What is the warning? Go there. Okay. Are we not using this then? Okay. I'll tell you later then. Few times what will happen is in the IO stream itself, it will throw error, which means the
yes,
file
sir.
itself is not there. So
Okay.
you can know that. So these are all I'm telling how to debug. The syntax wise, you will get it from Google. Okay, there are lots of programs. Everything is there in Google. But the only thing which is not there in Google is the concept. Google will not teach you how and why things are working. If you want to know some program, you key in Google and everything you will get it. So uh, the 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 purpose of this training session is I am not here to teach you syntax or programs. You
Okay.
will definitely get it in Google, but you will learn how to come out of an error, how to approach a program, how
Oh,
things are working in the behind. So those are things I want you to grab from the session. Okay,
okay.
syntax wise, 100% I'm not going to tell anything which is not there in Google. Nowadays everything is in Google. So any program you take, hundreds of samples are there. So teaching syntax is not a big thing. Learning syntax is easy. So okay, with this today we'll wind up. So what we learned, you learned the imports, the include statements.
Yes, sir.
Main program should have a main keyword.
Okay.
What is the use of CLR-SCR?
Sir,
What is the
to clear
clear,
the before output.
correct? And what is the use of get-ch?
Sir, to minimize the time, it will show the output immediately.
Correct. That is what. So as enters a character, get-ch means character, get character. As soon as the user gets inputs a character, we will wait and show the output there itself.
Okay.
And you learned how to out a string,
Yes, sir.
out a text to the console. The black screen which you see is called the console.
It's all.
Okay. So how to text something to a console, how to read from a console, see out and see in, on how to add a number and display it in the console. So this we learned today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can try out the programs. By the way, you can save the program. Control, Alt F and give save.
Um,
Okay, it's already saved, right? Okay, it's saved in the file noname.cpp.
yes, sir.
Can you go to hard disk and go to this Turbo C installation? It will be in program files. No, C colon Turbo C installation. Turbo C3. Yeah, there it is. Turbo C3. Go to the projects. No, no. Don't open like this. Close this. You open in Notepad. Right click and open with Notepad. Okay. This is a C program.
See, sir.
Okay. You close this. There also you can see the CLR, SCR and get CH.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the where C++ is in. Go back one step. Turbo C++. Okay. Where is the program stored? Can you go back once? Can you go to the editor? No, go to the C editor.
Okay. See, sir.
No, not here. You have opened it, right? You're writing the program now. Okay, go there. Not this one. Okay, you go to open. Okay, it is inside C Turbo C3 bin. Okay, go inside there in the hard disk. Go inside project or no name.cpp. Search for no name.cpp. It is not there. No name 01, right? Something. What is the file name you see there?
No name dot.
No name 00. No. Okay, can you go to the editor and try saving it? Cancel. No, cancel. There is a cancel button.
Keyboard.
Oh,
No
it's
keyboard
not
button.
clickable. Okay. Give escape then.
Yes.
Now file Alt F and see there is a save as. Save all. Okay, now it is asking. So you are storing in C Turbo C bin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now okay. Go to that folder. You should see that now. Hard disk.
Yes, sir.
Here it is. Now open in Notepad.
Yes, sir.
Whatever we wrote there, we are able to see it. So you can write in Notepad, save as .cpp, and you can go there and open also.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can try out same way addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division today.
Okay.
The same program only. Just you delete it. From first you write on your own.
Okay.
What I would recommend is you have to write maximum number of programs as you can. When I'll take like few minutes to just tell about how I read this. I came from a biology background and I was into triple E, okay, non IT department. So I had the Pascal paper in my second sem, I think,
Okay.
where I couldn't do well. I just managed to clear something, but I couldn't do well. Then when I got the C++ paper, that time I was not having any system. Like my parents, my family background was very not that much rich that I didn't have any machine in my home. I had to go to the bus stand. Near our bus stand, there was an institute. My father's friend was running it, so I had to go there. Morning, 7 o'clock, I used to get up and catch the bus from Lastbet. So I used to go there. I used to spend like 3 to 4 hours there. I used to write maximum programs I can. So the only way of practicing or getting is you have to at least write like 10 programs a day. You
Okay.
delete everything, you write from scratch, include Conio, you write in the paper. That is the only way. But once you start getting the concepts in your fingertips, then it will be a cakewalk.
Okay.
I finished this C++ paper in like just half an hour in such a very short time. On the first paper, Pascal, in the previous sem, where I was not able to clear, I was not able to finish in a smooth way. The C++ I finished in just half an hour of time. But for that, I had spent a lot of time in writing. So what I will tell is, you have to delete this program, again write it on your own. Write a separate program for subtraction. Don't just change the symbol here as number one minus number two.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll
you, yeah, that is the only way. Just for 2 weeks, you follow what I am telling, and definitely you will see the difference.
okay.
Okay, yeah. For tomorrow's class, you just write 4 programs. One we have written, so write 3 programs. Um,
Minus
yeah, subtraction,
multiplication
multiplication,
and
and
division.
division. You write different variable names. Don't write the
Okay.
same thing. You try out your own way, like how you can do things, and you write 4 programs. And tomorrow again, you can show me those programs.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, this week I don't have online classes. They gave 1 week vacation. Sir. But
Okay.
from next week, Monday, online classes will start again. Sir. So 10 to 11:30 will not be easy for me to attend.
Okay. So what time uh, will it be over?
Sir, it will be over by 5:30, 5:15 evening. So.
Okay. So 10 to 5:30. In that case,
No, sir. It will start from 8 to 8:45 to 5:30, sir. But the timing will change in a day, sir. So
okay, okay, okay. Oh, then you'll not have completely, right?
no, sir.
Okay, then you can text me every
Okay,
day. You can text me like when you are free.
okay,
But
sir.
before 4:30, okay, 4:30 I have another training I'll
Okay,
be taking up. Before 4:30, you can text me whatever time is convenient for you. We can come on a call, like 1.5 hour discussion.
okay. So today itself, I will tell you, sir, which day, which hour I'm free, sir.
Yes,
I'll text
yes,
you.
sure, sure. So
Okay.
this week it will be 11, 10 to 11:30, right?
This
This
week,
week
okay, sir.
it will be okay. Okay,
Okay,
great, great then. Good. So try out the program. Tomorrow, same time, we'll meet.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.